Today, Chef Diane will be preparing a traditional Irish dish, often served in honor of St. Patrick's Day. Back bacon with cabbage and parsley sauce. You may know the dish as corned beef and cabbage. In the early 1900s, when Irish immigrants wanted to prepare this meal, back bacon was scarce, and so corned beef was substituted. Corned beef and cabbage became a popular mainstay of American cooking. Here are the ingredients. We'll be right back.
Want to make your mealtime a little more enjoyable? Check out the ready-to-heat, ready-to-serve meals and side dishes offered at your favorite supermarket. Whether it's chilled, or fresh, or frozen, you can taste the cuisines of the world. And if you buy the supermarket store brands, you can be sure of quality and freshness at reasonable prices. Give them a try and add something special to mealtime.
First, cut a medium-sized head of cabbage into 8 wedges. Place the peppercorns and bay leaves in the bottom of a large pot. Then, layer the cabbage wedges in. Cut peeled potatoes into quarters. Then, arrange them in the pot on top of the cabbage. Scatter baby carrots on top of the potatoes. Add enough water to the pot to just cover the vegetables. Cover the pot and set on high heat until it just comes to a boil. Place the back bacon slices on top of the vegetables. Then, let it simmer on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. While the bacon is cooking, prepare the parsley sauce. First, mince the shallots. Then mince the parsley and set aside. Sautee the shallots in butter. When the shallots are soft, stir in the flour and let it cook while stirring for another minute. Add the warm milk. Season with salt, pepper, and add bay leaf and thyme. Whisk about 3 or 4 minutes until smooth and slightly thickened. Remove the bay leaf. Stir in the minced parsley, and the sauce is ready. Serve the back bacon, cabbage, and carrots with a drizzle of the parsley sauce on top, or serve the sauce on the side. Back bacon and cabbage can be easily made with great store-brand products like those from your favorite supermarket. For more recipes, lifestyle ideas, health tips, and shopping news, subscribe to the BrandsUSA YouTube channel.